What if I told you that a tank born in the Cold War just got a 2025 makeover and now has America's defense experts turning their heads? Meet the T-62 2025, a re-engineered monster with classic Soviet bones and futuristic American firepower. Whether you're a tank fanatic, a military historian, or just love powerful machines, this video will blow your mind. Stay with us till the end as Drive Vibe uncovers every secret under the turret of this legendary beast. 1. Origins Reimagined. To understand the T-62 2025 United States variant, we have to roll back the tape. Originally developed by the Soviet Union in the 1960s, the T-62 was one of the first tanks to mount a smoothbore gun, changing tank warfare forever. Fast forward to 2025, and what we have is an unlikely hybrid, a Cold War tank reborn through advanced American military engineering and modernization programs, primarily for training, experimentation, and strategic reserve forces. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a full resurrection. Old steel, new soul. 2. Exterior overhaul. Let's begin with the outside, because this tank isn't just a relic in a new coat of paint. The armor on the T-62 2025 has been radically improved. The hull and turret are now protected with composite reactive armor panels and modular side skirts that can be easily swapped or upgraded. What was once rolled homogeneous armor has evolved into a layered defense system capable of resisting modern APF-SDS rounds and heat warheads. The iconic dome-shaped turret is still there, but it now integrates radar sensors, thermal cameras, and anti-drone countermeasures mounted on elevated brackets. The matte black and digital desert camouflage paint job gives it a hauntingly modern look while reducing IR signature against enemy detection systems. Also worth noting, the tank has been equipped with slat armor and a laser warning receiver, giving it enhanced survivability in urban combat zones and drone-heavy environments. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a completely different world from the original T-62. Gone is the cramped, analog cockpit filled with dials and levers. In its place, a touchscreen interface, digital targeting systems, and voice-activated commands integrated into a modern battlefield network. The driver now gets a heads-up display linked to external cameras for full 360-degree visibility, something unheard of in traditional tank designs. There's also adaptive lighting and a reworked air conditioning system, vital for long missions in high-temperature zones. The gunner station is where things get really high-tech. The targeting system is linked to a stabilized fire control computer with automatic range finding, wind correction, and AI-assisted predictive aiming. And yes, it has night vision and thermal optics, all built into a single modular helmet interface. For the commander, there's a modern command and control console with real-time data feed from UAVs, friendly units, and satellites. It's not just a gun and engine anymore, it's a node in a larger digital combat web. For firepower, classic meets modern. The heart of any tank is its gun, and the T-62 2025 does not disappoint. Originally designed with a 115mm smoothbore cannon, this upgraded variant now carries a modified 120mm NATO-compatible gun. The new main gun is fitted with a thermal sleeve and a muzzle reference sensor, improving accuracy under rapid fire. It can fire a full range of NATO ammunition, APF-SDS, heat, high-explosive rounds, and even programmable airburst shells. What's more impressive? The auto-loading system has been re-engineered to handle this new caliber. The loader's role has evolved into a systems monitor, drastically reducing crew fatigue and increasing firing speed. The secondary armament includes a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a remote-controlled 12.7mm heavy machine gun for anti-air and anti-infantry roles. This remote weapon station can rotate 360 degrees and is stabilized for firing on the move. Even more futuristic? It's been fitted with an optional loitering munition launcher, essentially mini kamikaze drones ready to take out soft targets or scout ahead. 5. Powerplant and mobility. Under the hood, or rather, under the rear deck, the T-62 2025 is a whole new animal. The original V55 diesel engine has been swapped out for a 1,200 horsepower hybrid diesel-electric powerplant. That gives it better fuel efficiency, lower acoustic signature, and higher torque off the line. It's not just about speed, it's about stealth and endurance. This setup allows for limited silent running in electric mode, perfect for ambushes or low-signature maneuvers. Top speed? 70 km per hour on road and around 50 km per hour off-road. And with upgraded torsion bar suspension and composite rubber track pads, the ride is smoother and quieter than ever before. The tank also comes equipped with an auxiliary power unit, APU, letting it run systems while stationary without firing up the main engine, again, a nod to stealth and fuel economy. Modern battlefields are as much about sensors as they are about armor and guns. The T-62 2025 United States variant integrates a full suite of modern electronic warfare and sensor systems. First, the Active Protection System, APS. It uses millimeter-wave radar and electro-optical sensors to detect incoming threats like ATGMs and RPGs. Once a threat is locked, the system automatically fires countermeasures, either a kinetic interceptor or a directional smoke screen to break lock-on. Second, there's a laser warning receiver, LWR, system that alerts the crew the moment a laser rangefinder or designator targets the tank. The response? An automatic 360-degree smoke discharge combined with evasive maneuver prompts to the driver. Third, this tank is drone-ready. With its integrated drone control interface, the commander can launch and control surveillance drones directly from inside the turret. These drones feed real-time visual and thermal data to the tank's main screen, offering eyes in the sky whenever needed. 7. Crew comfort and survivability. A modern tank needs more than just firepower, it needs to keep its crew alive and functioning under pressure. Inside the T-62 2025, crew ergonomics have been dramatically improved. Seats are now shock-absorbing and adjustable, helping during off-road impacts and recoil. Noise insulation has been improved, and there are intercom systems with active noise cancellation for smoother communication. The tank's NBC, nuclear, biological, chemical, protection system has also been upgraded to include automatic air filtration and overpressure sealing, absolutely vital in CBRN environments. Fire suppression systems now respond within milliseconds, targeting fires in the engine compartment, turret, or crew bay with intelligent chemical dispersal patterns. And yes, it includes battlefield medical kits, hydration packs, and emergency egress panels to increase survival in case of a catastrophic hit. 8. Strategic purpose and unique selling points. Why would the United States even bother to upgrade an old Soviet design like the T-62? One word: versatility. The T-62 2025 serves multiple roles, from realistic training against Eastern Bloc-style armor to acting as OPFA, opposing force, units in military exercises. It's also a testbed for hybrid systems, AI-assisted controls, and rapid armor retrofits. The US military doesn't intend to mass deploy this tank into battlefields, but rather to use it as a cost-effective, adaptive, and highly customizable platform for future tech testing and advanced simulation warfare. It also sends a clear message: America can take the best of the past and fuse it with tomorrow's warfare. The T-62 2025 is built for adaptability. Its modular design means entire components, from electronics to armor plates, can be swapped or repaired in the field with minimal tools. Even the software is plug-and-play. Updating the fire control system or drone interface can be done wirelessly through a secure channel, which drastically reduces downtime between missions. Its hybrid engine reduces dependency on conventional fuel, and with diagnostic tools built into the dashboard, crews can monitor system health in real time, eliminating many of the guesswork maintenance issues that plagued older tanks. The T-62 2025 is a strange yet fascinating union, old-world steel, reborn through cutting-edge American ingenuity. It's not just a tank anymore, it's a platform, a statement, and a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets history. It might not replace the M1A2 Abrams in frontline service, but it brings something entirely different to the table: adaptability, learning value. Thank you for riding along with Drive Vibe as we delve deep into the T-62 2025 United States tank. If you enjoyed the mix of old-school grit and new-age tech, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What tank should we break down next? Your feedback drives us forward, literally. Until next time, stay curious, stay powerful, and keep vibing with Drive Vibe.